Welcome back, and now news from sports. Moving on from Team Tata to Team Mahindra, Goa's ace rally driver Amol Satoskar produced a fine performance to win the second overall place in the 13th edition of Raid de Himalaya. The 2,000-kilometer long rally at 6,000 meters above the sea level is the ultimate test of the driver and the vehicle. Amol has proved his mettle now with podium finishes in 2 consecutive raids.
Driving Mahindra Scorpio competitor number 137, Amol and his co-driver Mustafa had a daredevil experience over the challenging route. The adventure trial started from Shimla and then passed through Mandi, Kullu, Kangra, Chamba and entered Jammu and Kashmir through Baderwa, Kishtwar, Kokernag and Anantnag. From here it went to Kargil, Rangdum, Dras, Kargil, Zozila and culminated in Srinagar on October 16th. Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Omar Abdullah graced the prize distribution ceremony. Maruti added a special qualification round which was before the start of the raid. Participation in this round was optional, but skipping this round or finishing it in more than 5 minutes resulted in a 2 and 3 minute penalty respectively.
We had a qualifying round called corkscrew round.
Okay.
Yeah, and that I was the one to start. I was in the first leg to start that round.
Okay.
And I was very tense because they had not given us any recce, nor they allow us to go and see the terrain how it is.
Okay. So this was like a qualifying round.
Yeah, qualifying round means, and the points were added to your day-to-day score.
Amol was thrilled with his effort as he exclusively described his raid experience to Prudent.
This time it was more challenging for me because I drove a new team. I was driving for Team Mahindra, and my earlier team, Team Tata, they were my competitors in Maruti, and some local, like private teams like Team Godwin and Army Adventures. They were also competing with me.
Okay.
And some privateers also. But more competition was from my ex-team, which is Team Tata and my Maruti, because in my category only they had put up around 4-5 vehicles. Yeah, and that was very tough. When I started, I had a doubt that whether I'll do it or no, because I was driving a Scorpio and I had not taken a Scorpio in off-road and never tried the low gear of Scorpio 4x4.
Okay.
When I started, I was on 8th position, day 1. Because my vehicle is not very fast and I was competing with Vitaras and all.
Okay.
So after that, day by day I was coming up, like my position was improving.
Okay.
I went to 6th, I went to 4th, 3rd, second last day I was on 3rd position, and final day I took the second guy.
Okay.
And I came on overall 2nd position.
So Grand Vitara, obviously being a petrol vehicle, yours being a diesel, it would push higher, it would push better in the higher altitudes. But did you at any point of time have him in your sights to catch him and take the lead from him?
Yeah, I had, but there was one point, place called Sintan Pass. I could see him going in front.
Okay.
He was on like 600 meters gap, and that time only I had a flat tire.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we stopped. I had literally blown full tire, and I was running on alloy.
Okay.
And then we stopped, and I was injured also. My jack slipped, and I got a cut.
With Bureau Inputs, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira, with video journalist Prasad Harmalkar.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.